Are you a teacher using Gemini like a basic chatbot? You're missing out on its true power. If you have the paid version, you're sitting on a team of expert teaching assistants. Today, I'll show you 3 power workflows that transform Gemini Advanced into a lesson planning machine. We're building custom gems that remember your unique teaching style, so you never repeat yourself. Plus, I've put every prompt into a free master cheat sheet. Let's build your first AI assistant. First, the leveler. Teachers often struggle to adapt complex texts for different student levels. Imagine instantly rewriting a scientific paper for a specific grade level. Simply upload your document and prompt Gemini to rewrite a section for your desired audience. Gemini processes it instantly, providing clear, accessible content while retaining key terms. This allows students to engage with real-world sources without feeling overwhelmed. It's a game changer for differentiated instruction and deeper learning. Next, the role-play partner. Students need practice for difficult conversations or language skills. Open Gemini Live on your mobile device and tap the waveform icon to begin. I'll prompt Gemini to act as a concerned parent about math grades, polite but firm. Engage in a realistic conversation, practicing your responses and communication skills. Gemini adapts instantly, even if you interrupt, making the practice dynamic and effective. This tool is invaluable for preparing for parent-teacher conferences or student language practice. It builds confidence and refines communication in a safe, simulated environment. Finally, the lesson architect. Let's tackle lesson planning burnout. Create a new gem in the Gem Manager, naming it Lesson Architect. Paste your specific instructions for lesson structure, like a hook, direct instruction, and exit ticket. Then, simply type your grade level and topic. For example, Grade 9, Photosynthesis. Gemini instantly generates a complete, structured lesson plan tailored to your needs. Building a gem front-loads your pedagogical work, saving you countless hours. I've put the instructions for the leveler, the role play, and the lesson architect in the cheat sheet below. Download it, copy-paste it, and reclaim your Sunday evenings. See you in the next video.